By end of this video, you will be able to create complete application using Lovable and n8n. Lovable is a platform where with just one prompt, you can create sites, SaaS, e-commerce or landing pages in just minutes. And in this setup, where n8n is going to be functioning as the backend, or we can call it as a brain of the application, elevating it to an advanced level where we are going to be integrating n8n and Lovable is going to be working as the backend, and all the front end thing will be taken care by the Lovable projects. And in this particular video, we are going to be creating a project where we are creating an AI chef and keeping the backend on n8n. So this is the platform we are going to be using, which is called lovable.dev. I've already recorded a lot of tutorials on what are the use cases of Lovable, which you can find of the link somewhere over here. You can click over here and you can find those videos where you can understand that how we can use this platform and what are the imaginations we can do by just using this particular platform. And if you are someone who is watching this video for the first time, or even if you are watching this particular platform for the first time, make sure you sign up from the link description box below, because when you sign up for creating this particular project which you are going to be building right now, it's going to be under a free plan. You only get to have 5 credits. When you use the link down below in the description box below, you get 10 credits, which means you can do 10 changes in a day. Whereas if you only use your own sign up link, you are going to be having only 5 credits in a day. And that's what about. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe this so that I get motivation to create more such valuable content for you guys. And as discussed, we are going to be creating an AI chef which is going to be using Lovable for creating the front end, and the back end will be taken care by n8n to the webhook node. So let's go ahead and go and dig in and create the project right away. Paste the prompt which I generated from ChatGPT, and if you want this prompt, this will be available in the description box below for you to refer from. And I created this prompt using ChatGPT, and I'll just go ahead and paste it as it is and just gonna click enter, and let's see what is gonna be building. In this prompt, we are explaining that what is our idea, what are the capabilities we are looking for from this particular AI chef. Given it a customization that I'm keeping it to Indian household centric, and you can use it in an open bracket. That's totally up to you. So that's when you go to the prompt, you'll get to know that what are the things we are defining in this prompt. I have already asked to create a confetti effect whenever a successful recipe is provided, and that's what a little bit of customizations are involved in this prompt. Lovable is a platform where you can just communicate your ideas in a basic plain English, and it is gonna be going ahead and do the coding for you. There are multiple such vibe coding platforms are available on the internet right now, but Lovable has been my personal favorite because with time and everything, the upgradations they are bringing right now, you can also use Lovable directly from ChatGPT. You can actually chat with Lovable on ChatGPT itself. You have to connect your Lovable account on ChatGPT, and it is gonna go ahead and do the production for you. Earlier, you have to actually connect your Supabase with Lovable manually, but right now with the edge functions, you don't have to create anything yourself manually. Everything is taken care by Lovable itself. So in the meantime, where Lovable is building our AI chef front end, we are gonna go ahead and deploy it in n8n, because all the backend operations will be taken care by n8n. And if you are someone who is unaware what is n8n, then I've already recorded several videos what is n8n and what are the use cases of n8n, which you can find the link of the video of the playlist over here, where you can refer to what are the use cases and how you can use it. So we are gonna be using a feature over here which is webhook. We are gonna be using the webhook trigger over here, and the method is gonna be post, and you can change the parts to whatever you want. The name doesn't matter. And here we are going to choose the method as post, and make sure you have selected the production URL, and this is the webhook URL which is required for now. So when you click on this, it gets copied on your dashboard. And now let's head over to Lovable. Okay, so Lovable has created the dashboard for us, and it's time to see whether the front end is working as the way we wanted. So let me go ahead and put in the ingredients over here, and let's see. Your food is being prepared, and it is providing us the everything right now. So right now we haven't integrated, but it is still providing us the steps and everything. We want the backend to be taken care by n8n. So we are going to be using the webhook node over here, and go ahead and tell Lovable that we are going to be using the webhook node and get the data and fetch the data from this webhook nodes, so that you understand that how you can create a front end on Lovable, and you can use the backend as n8n to actually push the data and extract the data from your front end and send everything over here. So that is the main motive of recording this particular video. I'm just gonna be pasting the webhook node which we just copied from n8n, and I'm just gonna go ahead and tell Lovable that this is the webhook node where you will be using this webhook node for sending the data whenever user comes onto the platform. They're gonna be putting in their ingredients, and you're gonna send the data on webhook, and you're gonna get the data. As soon as you get the data from webhook, then only display the recipe over here. So I provided the webhook, and it is gonna go ahead and do the things for us. I'll update the webhook integration to use your n8n endpoint. It says the webhook is now connected, and let's see whether it is really connected or not. So now what we are gonna be doing is we are gonna be putting in the ingredients over here, and let's see whether we are receiving the output over here or not. You can see over here it is listing for the event, and let's see if Lovable is providing the data over here or not. We are not getting the data over here, and we are gonna be going ahead and take a snapshot of this particular error. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this snapshots here on Lovable and ask Lovable. I have uploaded the error which I am getting after entering my ingredients in the interface, and I'm also not receiving any data on my n8n webhook. Instead, I'm just getting this error, please solve this. So that's what I have done, and let's see, Lovable is gonna go ahead and fix the things for us. Okay, and now you can see that we are actually receiving the responses over here, and now we are receiving the responses on this webhook. So whatever we are putting over here is being captured. So you can click over here and you can see that we are receiving everything. On the left side you can see, so here's the message we have put in the Lovable dashboard, and we have received it over here. And now we are gonna go ahead and create an AI chef over here, and which this node is gonna help us connect to this AI agent node. And here we'll click on define below, and here we are gonna be putting a message that you are an AI chef and help the user create ingredients they have provided. Using the same ingredient they can cook, and here are the ingredients. So I've gone ahead and just provided a prompt, and we are just gonna be drag and drop the ingredients entered by the user. So that's what. And here we are going to be adding a system prompt where basically we are going to be defining what are the do's and don'ts of this AI chef. I already have a prompt created by GPT. Don't worry, you'll be getting this prompt in the description box below, so make sure you fill in the details which is being asked in the description box below, and you'll get the prompt as it is being shown over here. And now we are going to be connect the further nodes where we'll be using OpenAI as a brain to think and create recipes, and we don't require any memory, and we don't require any external tools. So what we are going to be do is click on respond to webhook and click on first incoming item, and that's all. And with this it should be sending the data. And let's now execute the step which we have already received the data over here, which was provided by us on Lovable, and it has created a recipe using the ingredients provided by user. And let's see if it is providing the same over here, and click on execute step, and let's see if we are receiving any response over here or not. One last thing which we need to configure before we proceed for the Lovable is that we need to change the response over here from immediately to using respond to webhook node. And now when we are going to be executing it, probably this is gonna work now. So I again went ahead and mentioned Lovable that we are not receiving the webhook, it is not being displayed over here, and it went ahead and did some fixes, and probably this is now fixed. And let's go ahead and test again how this works now. And now you can see that we have finally cracked all the errors with the help of Lovable. We did not do it manually, but Lovable helped us crack all the error we were facing during the deployment of this project. And you can see it is now responding us back with the recipe. So I entered this, and this is the recipe which we are receiving as a response back from the n8n backend. This is the workflow which we have just created. So this was a very quick and a very simple project which we just deployed, and this was just basically to show you that that what are the possibilities of when you integrate Lovable as the front end and use n8n as the backend, and you orchestrate this both of these things. And all the majority of the projections and operations is happening on n8n. You can have the hold of all these projects in n8n dashboard, and you can create the front end here just like we have just created right now. And all the resources will be mentioned in the description box below, and this is where we can generate a lot of things. So if I enter egg and tomato, and you can see now it is processing. Your food is being prepared. Patience is the secret ingredient. Once it receives the response from the webhook, and now you can see it is providing us the recipes and how we can proceed. So egg tomato curry, simple spicy Indian style egg curry with tomatoes, and simple 20 minutes and eggs and everything. It is providing us step by step recipe of the ingredients which we just provided here. And that is how simple it is to deploy any project on Lovable and n8n. And that's all from my end in this particular video. And comment your learnings in the comment section below, because it motivates me to bring more such projects for you on my channel. If you want me to build more complex projects, and comment complex into the comment section below, and also comment your niche, where in which niche you want me to deploy the projects and showcase this channel for your own benefit. So comment your niche in the comment section below, so I can come up with the projects with respects to that. And I'll see you in the next video.